Okay, so I just wrapped up my retreat and I am now packing, and I'm going to show you a trick. When you're running a retreat, you have so much in stuff you need to bring out. I like to bring my swag all with me, and I also like swag bags and all the things that goes in them. And then I also bring out my workbooks, and it just feels like even though I have my stuff left in Costa Rica, there's still stuff I bring out every single time. So what I do is I bring a suitcase with bags inside. So for example, I have this big like fold out bag right here, ugly as anything, but that can collapse down and go inside my carry-on the way home. And then I also have these two, I don't know, Ecuadorian bags. My son brought one home from Mexico for me, and I got one from Ecuador. And what's so nice about them is I can just roll them up inside, put them all inside of my carry-on, and I don't have to bring out, two full suitcases and a carry-on on the way back and pay for those. I just put them all inside of my one carry-on. So that's my best tip for bringing all this crap out with you at your retreat.